Lovely morning to all of you. How have you been? Children, it's time for the general awareness talk. Are we all ready? Let's get started. Yes, children, all of you pay attention. Today we are going to talk about a bird. You know which one? We are going to talk about a peacock. Okay? Can you see? This is a peacock. So beautiful, isn't it? A peacock is a beautiful bird. Okay, children, can you see this? This is a peacock. A peacock is a beautiful, colorful bird. It's a blue color bird. What is the color of the peacock? It is a blue colored bird. Okay, children, a peacock has a beautiful beak. This is the beak of the peacock. And such a beautiful eye. Yes, this is an eye. Yes, and this is known as the crest of the peacock. Okay? Yes, a peacock has beautiful, lovely feathers. Okay, children? Can you see? This is a peacock. See, children, this is also a peacock. Yes? Very good. And you remember we have done in this week's craft, we have done hand printing and we've made peacock. You remember? This is the way we made peacock this week with hand printing. Yes. And here, this is also a peacock, children. You know, a peacock looks lovely when it dances in the rain. A peacock dances in the rain, children. Okay? Yes. Yes, children, this is also a peacock. Can you see? So today we have talked about a beautiful bird, peacock. A peacock is a blue-colored, beautiful bird. It has lovely feathers. A peacock has a beak and a crest. And a peacock dances in the rain. Yes? Very good. I hope you all enjoyed this video, children. Yes, I love making this for you. Okay, that's it for now, children. Take care. Bye-bye.